my dear students, I'm Priya Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is convert unit of length. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use standard metric units to measure the length of different objects, and you are going to convert large to small metric units up to 2 digits number with 1 decimal place. And one more thing, that is, you are going to do what? Basically, you are going to convert kilometers into meter, meters into centimeters, and centimeters into millimeters. So right now, by considering what is length, so length is the distance between two objects. That is the distance between two cities or two places or any 2 points, by considering this. For example, the location where I am standing and the location where you are standing is also the length, which is the distance actually. So right now we are going to consider this using standard metric unit to measure the length of different objects. So right now I have one thing that is an example. Which example is this? That Razi wants to measure the length of his school bus. Okay, this is interesting thing. How will he measure its length? So this is also interesting thing. How can you measure the length actually of your car, of your bike, of your room, of your bed, of anything like which is near you? So in this way, what to do? Razi will use measuring tape to measuring the length of his school bus. So right now we have some standard unit for this thing. Standard metric units to measure the length of different objects are kilometer for km, small k, small m, meters for only m, small, and then centimeter we have small c and small m. Basically, kilometer is the biggest unit. Got it? And we are going to use it for long distance. Okay. So right now we are going to remember some standard things which are really very important, guys. So here we go. This one is 1 kilometer. In 1 kilometer there are how many meters? Because kilometer is the biggest one and there are meters inside kilometer. So right now, by considering this thing, we have 1000 meters there in 1 kilometer. Okay, so we are going to know one more thing. That is in kilometer there are meter. So what about in meter? What will be there? So there will be, centimeter. So we have centimeters in meters as well. So right now, by considering this thing in 1 meter, we have 100 centimeters. So right now, again, we have one question. What about 1 centimeter? So this is also interesting thing. In 1 centimeter, we have small millimeter. So which is called mm. We are going to denote it with small m 2 times. Okay, for milli and meter. So we have 10 millimeters there in 1 centimeter. You can have one example also. You can just check your ruler, your scale must be in your geometry box. Please check from it. There must be written cm, small c, small m over there. From that side, you need to check from 0 to 1. How many small lines are there? Yes, there are 10 small lines which are basically millimeter. This is basically the length of millimeter. In this way, you can consider and assume that how long will be meter, how long will be centimeter, how long will be meter as well as kilometer. So in this way, you are going to just estimate the things in your mind, okay? And this is the exact measurement. Actually, we are going to use it for further conversion, okay? So you need to learn it by heart as well so that we are going to continue further. So here we go. We are going to do conversion of units of length. So we have kilometer to meters, we are going to convert kilometers to meters, and then second thing, we are going to convert meters to centimeters, and finally we are going to do one interesting thing, which is centimeter to, of course, millimeter. Because I told you earlier that this quantity which is kilometer is the biggest one, then there is meter, and then there is centimeter, and then there is millimeter, and this is lying right over here. This is the smallest one over here, which I am telling you. Hope this procedure is easy for you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.